Got the 80s tunes on. Working on an 80s car. About to get after this and show you where we're at right now, right?
Yep.
Jam out to some 80s tunes and see what we got going on. Let's show the guys where we're at right now, guys and girls. Bought the car with an exhaust rattle, and it's a little bit unique in this design. The way the exhaust flange, where the pipe mounts to the exhaust manifold, that's where the gases come from the engine, go through the manifold, and then they have to have a place for it to connect. That's usually a coupler, a pipe, or flange. They had this clamp instead of having nuts and bolts. So when I had gotten under the car initially to find out where the exhaust rattle was coming from, I was shocked to even see this because I've never seen that before. But you know, you always learn something new every day, right?
Yeah.
So instead of having nuts and bolts to hold the pipe to the coupler, they have these things, which you have to get a special tool to kind of unclamp it. Put your pipe on there, and then you release that tool, and it, boom, it holds it together. Well, we discovered a few other things upon that. We need a new exhaust donut. That's your seal gasket, right? So that broke apart from the pipe banging around from not having the clamps on it. We got two clamps. This is another part of the issue. The old donut had broken and fell into the exhaust pipe. So now we have to drop the pipe and then turn it over and shake it out of the catalytic converter, because you know that's going to make a racket like pennies in a dryer. More bad news. The starter cable was laying on the exhaust manifold, and the pipe was touching it, burned a hole in the starter cable. Being that the manifold's made out of cast iron, it doesn't conduct electricity as well as some other metals do, so it really didn't cause like a short or a spark, to my surprise, but it did transfer the heat through the wire into the starter lead, which led to burning up the wire on the starter and burning up the lead on the starter. Yay!
Yes!
Man, it's funny how one problem leads to another. So, on this shoot, we're gonna go to the starter. We got a starter cable coming in. We're gonna try to button up the exhaust in the meantime, and you know, we'll just wait patiently till our parts come in for a 1989 German vehicle. Right? So, stay tuned. What's your camera rolling, huh?
It is rolling.
Okay. I'm gonna try to take it apart right here. I know these nuts and bolts are gonna break off because it's rusty, crusty, and we're just gonna take it apart and then we'll cut these off and then put, you know, we'll have a hole where we can put a nut and a bolt back through it. I know that it's gonna break. That's 100% gonna break. So that's what we're gonna do.
You starting up here?
That's already disconnected. Remember, it came in disconnected. That's the problem.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it came in disconnected. It just caused all kinds of other issues. So let's, okay, I got my stuff over here. I'm just going to basically bust these loose. And it's going to break. And then we're going to have to get the little cutter and come in here and cut this stuff out. And now, some power tools.
Shot brought to you by Milwaukee.
I wish. We will fix the exhaust. Let's see how this goes. But why is so much extension? Because. Oh, that one broke loose. Get out of it. It did. Okay, I need a wrench.
What size do you need?
Oh no, it didn't. It rounded it off. I might as well just start cutting now, dude. Hold on, I'll be back. And I didn't say it like that guy, so you know what? You can't catch me with trademark. You know, how he says it. You know, I can't say the name. Rhymes with Schwarzenegger.
Oh.
Alright, Daniel. Hey, my eyes up here, okay?
How would you like? It's probably blinded.
always say the camera adds 10 pounds. Why does yours add 20? Take it back. Get your money back. So, the ongoing joke around here that we constantly get asked is me and Daniel brothers? Are we? I don't know. I don't know.
Comment below.
Maybe. Magic. Okay, now I gotta get. Well, might as well just cut them because to tell you the truth, they ain't none of them coming out. It's just not coming out.
They'll probably break off, and you won't
I wonder
have
if
to
I
cut
can
it.
punch them out. This sure seems welded to the pipe.
Either that or rusted to the pipe.
Yeah, probably welded to the pipe. So I'm gonna go get a small die cutter and just start cutting. As soon as I get that other one broke off.
Get a shot of me doing nothing. No, the action's right here. Oh.
Strike two. You know, if I chip a tooth, it's gonna make for good footage.
Just do it for the tube.
It's really hard to swing this in here. Let's see if I can shift it over. Yeah, I can. There it goes.
Will it stay?
Maybe it'll stay good. The reason why we're trying not to take everything off in the world, I need a hammer, is because I don't know how much of this is going to come off without a fight. So I think we can get this bolt down though, Daniel.
What, a big hammer?
If you don't come back with the impact swivel, I'm going to lose.
That's not the impact.
This is not an impact swivel. Is that rolling?
Yeah.
This is not an impact swivel.
What the hell is
Come back with the impact swivel.
What are you talking about?
It looks like a ball joint.
Oh, where's that at? I don't know what drawer that's in.
Impact swivel.
Oh, I could have just gave you mine.
You could have. You chose to do it the hard way.
I do build houses though.
Damn. Holy.
Oh yeah. Let's see if there's even a reason to bring it down, huh? Might have been no reason at all. Oh, what do we have?
Yeah.
Oh baby.
So we alright?
That'll make a noise, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah, well.
Alright, so we got that done. Are these gonna... No, they gotta be cut off. So, let's get some safety glasses. This is not my favorite kind of hot ambers. Don't hold back, man. It's okay, I'm used to it. I'm not.
Oh. Let's edit that. You're gonna edit that part out.
Just kidding, I love my wife. Come on, man. Oh, yes. Sometimes size does matter. Now you got a lot to edit.
I'm not editing that.
Yay! You did it!
Let's see if it comes out of there, huh? Please. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Thanks.
Damn, that came right out.
Well, you know, we still got 2 more to go. Hold the breath. I want to come out. Join your friends. Okay. Be free. There you go. You don't need that. Still in good shape?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, okay. You gotta find 3 nuts. You gotta find 3 bolts. You gotta put that pipe back together and reclamp it. So that's what we're gonna do. Hit. I'm starting to scare myself. I'm tired of searching. It's getting this one. And I promise you, it'll hold just fine. And this is a matching thread, so just so everybody knows. Yeah. Crap bolt.
I think didn't only one bolt hold that on?
We gotta put this back on. You wanna have some fun in the comments? This is my favorite Elvis song.
You might need a longer bolt, dude.
Huh? I don't think so, Dana. You talking about for right here?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I hope not. I'm ready. Wow! What am I on, dude?
Tools.
Alright, give me that donut gasket up there.
Where?
Up on top, say car!
That is.
Gotta love the 80s, dude. They even had some nice, like, this is creepy serial killer movie type stuff. I know I'm gonna catch hell for that.
Where's your safety glasses?
Tell the audience where the safety glasses.
Wait, that's catcher.
Alright, get a jack, stick it under there, and jack that freaking pipe up. Nuts and bolts would be great to just hold this on instead of this goofy clamp. Keep going. Alright, cool. Alright, that ought to hold it. I don't know if this pipe was hit and bent and that's why it did what it did, but these clamps are still not easy to get on. Go ahead, jack it up there, see what happens. Keep going. Alright. Hey. A lot of tension on there now. Done. Oh, hey, nice to see you there. Just kidding. Anyway, no, we got down to doing the starter today, got the car started and running, got the exhaust leak taken care of. This was a bit of a problem that we had. The starter wire was laying up against the exhaust manifold and it was cooked. This one's well done if you take a look at it. It's pretty gnarly. So all of the heat from the exhaust manifold was being transmitted through this wire and actually into the lead that goes into the starter. So it cooked the starter. We showed you that on the other video. And cooked the wire. So we changed the wire, we changed the starter, we got the exhaust all bolted up, and well, you want to see what it sounds like?
Yeah, let's start it up.
All right.
Oh yeah, it sounds way better.
Black wire.
That's like 100 times better.
And we couldn't hear ourselves talk over the car last time, so.
So running quieter, no more belt squeak.
No more belt squeak, no more screeching. It's charging because the belts aren't slipping anymore. Starting because the wires aren't melted. So making way, making progress. Next, we'll do the 1.5-inch coilover suspension drop, and we'll do the rims and tires and the alignment, and change the tie rods, then the alignment. And well, stay tuned.
Heck yeah. So it's been 1 week, not already this much progress. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button. It really helps out with the algorithm. And make sure you subscribe and follow if you want to see more content like this. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.